Today, we wanted to take a few minutes of your time to provide you with a short video that showcases some of the many services and activities that our field services team provides you in preparing the home for your stay as well as during your stay with us.
We've been hard at work making sure your home will be ready for your arrival. To ensure the safety and health of our guests and our technicians, we are practicing the proper protocol when arriving at your home to fix an item or to research something for you. We'd just like to let you know a few of our responsibilities of our field technicians. If you do have an instance where you do need maintenance assistance, please feel free to reach out. We will take care of the issue if at all possible. We do a variety of things as far as electronics troubleshooting, plumbing issues, appliance issues, exterior issues even.
Should an issue arise while you are in your vacation home, service for some items such as major appliances, heating and air conditioning systems, elevators or pools and spas is outsourced to a Twiddy preferred service provider who specializes in these specific trade areas. Our maintenance coordinators work with them to provide the best experience during your stay with as little interruption as possible.
Thank you for your time today. We are excited for your arrival to the Outer Banks and your stay with us at Twiddy & Company.